Hello guys, I am Rishabh and you are watching Company 360. Today's topic is FSSAI license for Swiggy, Zomato and others. What is FSSAI? Let us start with knowing what is FSSAI. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is an autonomous body established under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The FSSAI has been established under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, which is a consolidating statute related to food safety and regulation in India. FSSAI is responsible for protecting and promoting public health through the regulation and supervision of food safety. The FSSAI license is a 14-digit number which is necessary to obtain as it remarks as the certification of quality of food product. The FSSAI license is of three types: Basic FSSAI registration, State FSSAI license, Central FSSAI license. These categories are divided on the basis of FBO's annual turnover. For basic FSSAI registration, the annual turnover of the FBOs must be up to 12 lakhs. For state license, the annual turnover of the FBOs needs to be from 12 lakh to 20 crore. For central FSSAI license, the FBO's annual turnover must be more than 20 crore. Food delivery app services in India. An online food delivery service in India need an FSSAI license to run an aggregator food delivery app like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber Eats, Foodpanda, etc. as they are e-commerce entities giving listing, directory of FBO, food products and also facilitating orders or transactions on their website. The more important thing is they need to obtain a number of compulsory licenses. When a customer is ordering food from a restaurant through this app, they will find the FSSAI logo along the FSSAI license number. FSSAI license is mandatory for all the restaurants. However, in order for a restaurant to even be on these apps, they require to have a precise up-to-date food license. Mandatory licenses for Swiggy. Shop Act license. Be it food on bikes, a fine dining restaurant, or an online delivery service, applying a Shop Act license is a necessity. It must be applied for within 30 days of business commencement. Governed by the Department of Labor, this license is state-specific and so needs to be filed with the respective state government. Health Trade License. For businesses whose goods and services may have a direct impact on public health, such as manufacturing units, storage, production and sale, and eating outlets, acquiring a health trade license is necessary. One may get this license from the respective municipal corporation of their city. FSSAI license. Since FSSAI is liable for assuring the safety and quality of food products in India, getting an FSSAI license is essential. One can get this license by filling up an application with the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Trademark registration. A trademark is a name, initials or logo which places your product apart from those of your competitors. A mark that separates services is known as a service mark. Since food business is an e-commerce business, one needs to assure that they have a registered trademark to protect their logo against any form of forged or malpractices. GST registration. A threshold limit of Rs 40 lakh has been set for other businesses. Every e-commerce business requires to mandatorily get the GST registration as stated under Section 244 of the CGST Act of 2017, irrespective of their yearly turnover. Signage license. The necessity for marketing a brand by word of mouth, testimonials, posters, and images is absolutely normal. After all, creating an online presence is necessary to a business existence. For employing different marketing strategies, one will require a signage license, which can be taken from their local municipal corporation. FSSAI license for Swiggy app. In July 2018, FSSAI, the governing body for the food license, issued a directive to 10 food delivery aggregators in which they mentioned that restaurants without proper food licenses must be immediately delisted from the app. The restaurants will be only allowed to tow with Swiggy when they have a proper license and specially FSSAI license. Swiggy, Zomato and other food delivery apps therefore begin the delisting procedure. As time passes by, these food delivery apps are becoming stricter in implementing the regulations by FSSAI, and so it is necessary while partnering with any of these apps, one has to get the appropriate as well as up-to-date FSSAI registration. Food aggregators substandard deliveries in India. FSSAI has issued a new set of guidelines for them. Getting a license from the Central Licensing Authority. Making provisions for arbitrary quality inspections by the regulator during any time in the delivery process. Only selling products with a left shelf life of either 30% or 45 days before expiry at the time of delivery. Signing deals saying sellers' compliance with food safety rules. Liability rests with food businesses operators. Food establishments have to instantly mention their FSSAI license registration and hygiene grading. Give the actual image of the dish on their platforms so that consumers can understand the product. Before purchase, consumers to be given information in the Food Safety Standards Act. Trained personnel to assure last mile delivery. Product safety must not be compromised at the time of delivery. So far, startups such as Swiggy and Zomato operate only as a channel between the consumer and restaurants, picking up orders and delivering them. The government is now simply putting the onus on the channels. The FSSAI has already been auditing food delivery apps to assure compliance with the safety and hygiene aspects. How to partner with Swiggy? FSSAI for Swiggy tells restaurants to get is just one of the parts of the process to partner with the food aggregator. In the following slides, we'll list the entire procedure to partner with the food delivery app. But before we get into that, let us glance through the benefits of partnering with Swiggy. Expands outreach potential and customer engagement, leading to boosted sales. It could potentially exclude the cost of setting up a restaurant as you can do all your sales online. Swiggy takes care of the delivery process, and so there is no need to hire external delivery staff or hire or buy vehicles for the same. Get business metrics in real time at fingertips. Go to Swiggy's Partner with Us page and fill up your details. In this page, there is a general form that holds details of your food business name and the name of the restaurant, address, phone number, email, documents like GSTIN or PAN along with FSSAI license. An official representative from Swiggy will contact you and get in touch to get the service agreement signed. Product build-up and photo shoot will take place so that you can run the restaurant side app well and make your restaurant look good on the app platform. Go live, start selling your food items and boost sales. One has to step carefully when it appears to manage track of all the legal paperwork. While Swiggy covers this in their application process, Zomato may also ask for the legal documents through the verifying process. The following is a list of all the necessary documents one will require to finish the verification process. Restaurant registration paperwork, shop license, FSSAI license, owner's PAN card. Furthermore, after registration completion, keep in mind that you will now be responsible to pay a 17 to 25% commission on all orders made by Zomato and Swiggy's online ordering portal. You may have to maintain track of the menu and price details daily to assure they are displayed correctly. You can obtain an API link done with your restaurant POS system and all your channels of online orders assure you stay on top of the status of all orders at all times. Documents required for registration with Swiggy. FSSAI license. Swiggy requires this to display along your restaurant's menu. Partnership or company PAN card. Cancelled check for Swiggy restaurant registration or payment options. Copy of GST registration and tax details like income tax returns. Proprietor details. A commission of 15 to 25% is imposed by aggregator apps like Swiggy. This charge is in emerging market cities like Bangalore, where the eatery is new to the city. Swiggy has to pay a commission of 16% to the restaurants. Swiggy also charges a commission of 4 to 7% for promoting a particular restaurant. Hence, it is necessary to get the FSSAI license. Swiggy, as well as other food delivery apps, have made it compulsory for FBOs to get this license. Want an FSSAI license? Company360.in provides you with all the necessities required for this procedure for a very reasonable price. Thanks. If you still have some questions, then you can ask them in the comments section. Or you can contact us with these given contact details on your screen. Our team would be glad to help you.